Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Simplisafe Smart Alarm for home automation, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Simplisafe Smart Alarm for home automation, begin by ensuring you have the Simplisafe app downloaded on your smartphone. Open the app once it has been installed. If you don't have an account yet, select the option to create a new account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Choose a secure password that you will remember. Review and accept the terms and conditions provided. After filling in the required information, tap on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a verification link sent by Simplisafe. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Return to the Simplisafe app and log in using your email address and new password. Once logged in, select the option to set up your smart alarm. Follow the on-screen prompts to pair your alarm system with the app. Make sure your smart alarm is powered on and within range of your Wi-Fi. Connect to your home Wi-Fi network by entering the necessary credentials. The app will notify you when the smart alarm is successfully connected. You can now customize your home automation settings within the app. Set up notifications according to your preferences for alerts and reminders. Explore additional features such as integrating with other smart devices. Once you've completed the setup, test your smart alarm to ensure it's functioning correctly. Congratulations, your Simplisafe Smart Alarm is now registered and ready for home automation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.